Hello everyone, welcome back to quanghuymktt, where marketing meets automation. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to post multiple reels across multiple accounts on Facebook. So now let's get to the points. Look at the bottom side column and we choose the post function. Okay, first of all, you choose the account which have a lot of pages you want to post reels, and I will choose mine. This all. Move on. The reels posting configuration. The interval between two actions will be from 15 to 30 seconds. Each page posts one video and maximum post stated check time 5 seconds. We select from list or select from friend list based on you and random ID. Okay. Go to the video configuration. We choose general configuration for our accounts and we choose the video configuration. First, we have to enter the hashtag if you want. I have some hashtag here. And remember, add hashtag to the beginning of the content or add the hashtag to the end of the content, okay? And if you have the content, you should enter the content over here. Okay, based on the content, it will add to the beginning or the add to the end of the content. Yeah, I mean the hashtags. Then we go to select the video. Here I will choose some videos and it's loaded over here. Choose all and save. You can post random reel or post in order. Choose post view facebook.com. I will allow duplicate video posting because I have a lot of pages, so I want to post a lot of video, maybe the same or not. Okay, so I allow duplicate video posting and I will comment on the post after successful polling. Enter the comment. DM me right now and save. So if you want to comment by image, you choose the image folder. Remember to save the script, okay, and name it posting reels. Okay, then done. Now you choose all of the accounts that you want to post reels. And let's start. Wait a few seconds. It will run automatically for you. And you can see the process log. System will automatically run embeddedly from logging the account, switch page, post reels, and then comments as we just set the configuration, and then it move on switching to another page. Yeah, repeat and repeat. This is what I just posted. Every day I post automatically. You see, let's check some link, okay? You can choose all the things, okay? And you export the data. And you save. Then you go to see the data. Okay? Here, you copy and you check. Okay, the second one.
comments without wasting time. Grow my social media faster without spending all day online. Let's go. Firstly, you choose the city.
Okay. That's all easy, right? And thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Quang MKT for more tutorial every week. See you in the next video.